superhero island for their arrival. Take a pass, people.
Red fish, blue fish, one fish, two fish, bud.
Can I start swimming a little?
Go ahead.
High, lower high, anywhere, give it a try. But beware, from down below, there are creatures there who will soak you head to toe. Now hear this, all fish that fly, follow me and you'll stay dry. One fish, red fish, up, up, up. Two fish, blue fish, down, down, down.
One fish, red fish, up, up, up. Two fish, blue fish, down, down, down.
Yeah, I got to say.
That was good, but now I say, fly up or down, the other way. Two fish, blue fish, up, up, up. One fish, red fish, down, down, down.
Two fish, blue fish, up, up, up. One fish, red fish, down, down, down.
That was great, but now I'll bet you might end up a little wet. The choice is yours, fly high or low. Just pick one, you never know.
Just pick one, you never know.
You guys sing along, bud?
Uh-oh. Don't want to get wet, Mama.
Ooh, that's a good picture.
And now our flying is nearly done. We've had some laughs and shared some fun. If you had fun, do as I tell. Take a big breath and yell. Yell! Come on!
The half of you now are not quite good enough. You see things like these in just any old zoo.
If I ran the zoo.
I want something new.
Yeah, take your glasses.
I heard you said you could stay here all day.
I could. I love the Cat in the Hat stuff.
Yeah.
The colors, the wackiness of it. I love it.
Welcome everyone for early park admission. Please have those annual passes, hotel key cards, or
Can I
Oh, your room key. That's what you need. Hold on.
When sounding all trafficy. How about you? Can you go beep?
Here we go, my potato there.
When the trolley train goes rolling past, we know how it sounds to go really fast. With a swoosh, swoosh, kablast. Now don't you be last. Make the sound of fast.
Swish, swoosh, kablast!
Oh, the mighty trolley train makes a loud hullabaloo.
You try to scare the little kitties.